it's Alicia with WTI. If you are looking to upgrade your cocktail game, then I have the perfect option for you. This is a cocktail smoking kit, and this is from Smoke Boards. And this thing is awesome. It has everything you need to smoke your own cocktails at home or smoke different whiskey or spirits, and it is so cool and fun to play around with. So what you get in this is a butane torch. You do have to add your own butane. It comes with 3 different kinds of wood chips. It has pecan, apple, and cherry wood, so you can play around with those. It comes with the board to do the actual smoking on top of, a mason jar, and then a carrying case. So you can bring this with you to your friend's place, make smoked cocktails there, and have a really fun time with it. So it's super easy. You just add a little bit of the wood chips to your board. You light them on fire, which is super fun to do. Cover it with your mason jar and let it fill with the smoke. And then once you're done with that, you add your cocktail in, give it a shake, pour it into your glass, and you're good to go. You can also smoke your glass itself to add a little bit more. So it adds a really nice complexity and level of interest to take your basic cocktail to the next level. So if you are looking to impress your friends with your cocktail smoking skills, and also really have delicious cocktails that are really fun to make and really nice to drink, then I would definitely check out this kit from Smoke Boards. It's awesome. I've had so much fun with it. You're gonna love it. And that's my point of view.